been about 10 months since I made my last video. Turns out trying to have a workshop in a rental house garage is not necessarily a great idea. But back in the great state of Washington, here I am. We've bought a house. It's pretty small, like it's limited on storage space. So this is my new workshop. It's a 7 by 10 shed. I'm gonna call it a micro workshop because once you see what I got in here, it's very, very small. So what we're gonna do is today I'm going to I've got some shelving to make in our house, and fortunately the previous owner had left a bunch of plywood, so I'm making some plywood shelves so we can store stuff inside the house. And I just bought these BORA SPEEDHORSE sawhorses, which I believe are going to be essential to having my tools inside here. So I'm going to have to pull things outside. These things seem nice. We'll see for the price what functionality they have and see how useful they are. So as you can see, I used the sawhorses for the initial sawhorse use, which was cutting with my circular saw. And now I'm using it, then I use it for an outfeed table. And now Now you might be wondering, why didn't I use a palm router instead of the routing table? Well, I want to use my dust collection. So part of the deal with me being here in our nice backyard is that sawdust doesn't cover the ground. So I've got to use my dust collection for as many things as I possibly can. So far, these have just worked out absolutely perfect. I'm going to be sanding these shelves, and so I'll be using this again as my workbench. And after that, we'll fold them up and store them and see how that looks. The end of the day, I finished my shelving, and these sawhorses worked out amazing. And I didn't even use all the features of these. They've got some slots here so that you can put 2x4s in, and then actually make this like a much wider table. Did not use those, but definitely got to say these grip sticks, amazing. Boards did not slip anywhere. To put these away, just pull here. There we go. Pull on this side. And done. And the best part about this is that in my 70 square foot shop, I can take these and put them away. Awesome. So overall, I got these sawhorses for $60 each. Some of the cheaper ones were $60 for a pair for the plastic ones, but I had to store them. They didn't fold up very well. These tuck away, no big deal. Extra functionality, super strong, super grippy. Highly recommend the BORA Sawhorse. Here's to no lumber left behind.